A 150 weigh and pill cutting machine, replacing the blade. Now this is the movable blade, and there are 3 screws on it. There are 3 screws, left, center, and right. Remove them. You must make sure to carefully wipe this completely clean. There can't be any dirt or dust, otherwise the blade will develop burrs. The blade itself also needs to be wiped clean. Okay, align this hole. Then lock the blade holder and the feed hopper together. 3 screw holes. Don't tighten them yet. First, gently screw them in to hold it in place. Then the requirement is that the edge of the fixed blade holder should align exactly with the edge of the movable blade. Exactly the same position. It can stick out a little, but the blade edge itself must not be exposed. Once they're aligned, then tighten all 3 screws very securely, because a lot of force is applied when cutting scrap material. All right, double check it again. Then tighten it again. Okay, once it's tightened, next is the rear blade. Now we're removing the rear blade. The screws for the rear blade are underneath. There are 3 screws. All right, now let's take it off. Push these 2 set screws at the back out just a little bit. After removing it, you need to keep this spacer. The spacer cannot be ground down. The gap was already calculated at the factory, usually a 0.5 millimeter gap. All right, after removing it, wipe down the surface of the mounting plate as well. Okay, clean the spacer thoroughly. Carefully and gently insert the 3 screws through. Be sure to keep the spacer clean. There must not be any dirt on it. This is very important. Then carefully align it with the screw holes located above. All right, now, first, make sure to gently secure it in place, just to position it properly and ensure everything is lined up correctly before proceeding. Okay, put in all 3 screws. Then secure the blade. Push it forward a bit. The back of it should gently and slowly make contact with the set screw. Then slowly tighten it. Next, carefully adjust the cross gap. Carefully move the slider all the way to the front, please. Press it to the very front. Then adjust the blade. If the material is relatively thin, a 0.5 millimeter overlap is enough. If the material is thicker, if it's over 1 millimeter or even 0.5 millimeter, then overlap a bit more, about 1 millimeter. Then tighten the screw underneath. After tightening, use your hand to push the set screw forward, then twist it a little further. Make sure it's firmly tightened. Then use the external hex nut to secure it. After that, change the blade. That's basically it, and you can start the machine. Start the machine for testing. Observe the size of the cross gap. Then use some scrap material to test. Over there. Left and right. In the middle. All right, on the right side, after this adjustment, it's now cutting very well.